Hello students, today we'll start next part, that is diencephalon. Fourth brain ka next part, that is diencephalon. So here we go the structure. This is diencephalon. See, this is diencephalon, hypothalamus. Okay, it is right thalamus and this is left thalamus, and cerebellum, it is a part of hindbrain which helps in supporting. So this is the structure of diencephalon. Okay, it is divided into three parts, that is epithalamus, thalamus and hypothalamus. So diencephalon consists of three parts. And it is covered by cerebral hemisphere. Okay, it consists of three parts. Let me write. It is covered by, we have discussed which part is not visible, which part is covered. So first part is epithalamus. Second is thalamus and third is hypothalamus. So epithalamus, it forms roof of diencephalon, makes roof of diencephalon. Okay, and it is formed from pyometer. Meninges we have discussed now. Formed from pyometer. Okay, and what is thalamus? It is a mass of gray matter in medulla. And very important about thalamus is it is a relay center. Means it collects stimuli. Thalamus जो होता है ये relay center है, and it collects stimuli. Collects stimuli, that is pain. Okay, and it passes to cerebral hemisphere. So it is mass of gray matter in medulla, and it is a relay center. It is a relay center, collects stimuli, you can say that is pain, and where it pass to cerebral hemisphere. Next is hypothalamus. So it is a connection between nervous system and endocrine. Hypothalamus क्या होता है? Connection between, it is a connection between nervous system and endocrine. And what is the function of hypothalamus? It is a thermostatic of body. Means it regulate body temperature. Body temperature regulate करता है. Thermostatic of body. Regulate body temperature. It also regulates thirst, PP, salivation, and it secretes neurohormones. It also secretes neurohormone. So students, this is all about the diencephalon. Okay, next is we will start midbrain. Midbrain, that is mesencephalon. Mesencephalon, remember the scientific term also, and it is divided into two parts, that is optic lobes and cerebral peduncles. Okay, optic lobes is consist of 4 lobes. It is a characteristic feature of mammals and it helps. Optic word is common, it means it helps in vision. It is a characteristics features of mammals and very important, it helps in vision. Cerebral peduncles क्या होते हैं? They are long longitudinal nerve bands. They are midbrain. Oh, let's go through the diagram. हाँ students, see. This is midbrain. Corpora quadrigemina and cerebral peduncles. Okay. Cerebral हम बता रहे, अभी corpora quadrigemina I will tell you. It is divided into superchoroid and superquadrivalli and inferior colliculi. Okay. Corpora quadrigemina is divided into superior colliculi, inferior colliculi and cerebral peduncles. They are long longitudinal nerve bands. And what is the function of this? It helps in coordination between hindbrain and forebrain. Hindbrain और forebrain पे coordination maintain करते हैं. Coordination between hindbrain so optic lobe regarding, or you can say optic quadrigemina, optic lobes. So midbrain, optic lobes and cerebral peduncles. So why it is divided into, there are 4 lobes, that's why quad word is used. The structure is like four lobes okay, and this is a fissure, superior corticuli and inferior cortical, it is a quadrigemina. And 2 parts below thalamus is limbic system Two parts below thalamus. That is amygdala. Amygdala. Okay, it is below thalamus. It is below thalamus. Okay. So what is the function of amygdala? Plays an important role in emotions, anger, sexual behavior. And hippocampus. The function of hippocampus, it converts short-term memory to long-term memory. Convert short-term memory to long-term memory. Limbic system, amygdala and hippocampus. Amygdala for emotions, anger and sexual behavior, and hippocampus convert short-term memory to long-term memory. So students, this is about diencephalon divided into three parts: epithalamus, thalamus and hypothalamus, midbrain, optic lobes and cerebral peduncles, and it is a part of this, that is limbic system. Okay, and in next we will discuss hindbrain. Okay.